Hey guys, welcome back to free blogging course. This is lesson 3 in which we are going to discuss about different blogging platform you can use to start your blogging career. Even if you're not starting with one of these platform will definitely help you grow your main blog in your blogging journey. So if you're interested, keep watching. Hello friends, I am Muqtadir Ahmad Khan, trainer, speaker and consultant, and you are watching Digital Bhaijan. So let's get started. So before jumping into the different platforms of blog, first let's see these points which are really crucial that you need to consider before selecting any of the platform. Make sure whatever blogging platform you choose, it is easy to use. If it is complicated, you won't be able to scale your blog higher because you end up maintaining all these complex steps involving in designing your blog. Make sure there is community available on the internet and different tutorials available on the internet so that you can easily learn from those tutorials and apply and implement in your blog. Whatever platform you choose, make sure it is feature rich. That means there are a lot of features available to customize your blog. Your blogging platform do not restrict you. That means there is a room to grow in future. Your blogging platform should be easily and even must be easily transferable to other blogging platforms because there are always limitation in one platform. So you have to make sure that your blogging platform, whatever you choose, will be easily transferable to other blogging platform. Now let's jump into our blogging platforms. Our first blogging platform is Tumblr. Tumblr is microblogging service where you can share anything like images, text, GIF, videos, and even audios. So now let's see the overview of Tumblr and what are the pros and cons of using Tumblr. So this is how a Tumblr dashboard looks like. You can share anything and it is really simple to set up. Let's see how you can set up it. Just click on get started and you just need to fill your email address, password and username and you are ready to sign up. You don't need to create another account. You just need to give your information like email, password and username and you just need to click on sign up. So let's see how your dashboard looks like when you sign up from here. So once you sign up, this is how your dashboard looks like. You can share your text, photos, quotes, links and anything from here. So let's suppose I want to share a text. I can simply click on text and type my title here and whatever I want to write, my article and anything, I can write my article here and I need to give certain hashtag related to my field and that's it. I'm ready to post it here. So see how simple it is. After publishing your post, you can see it from here. So this is how your article looks like. That is, I write a sample or dummy article here, a small one. You don't need to be a tech savvy to use this platform. So there's another advantage. You can directly share your article to different platforms, different social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and all the other platform. So it has a social media integration available in this platform. So there are few disadvantages of using this platform. First disadvantage is it comes with a Tumblr branding. So here in the URL section you can see there's a tumblr.com/blog/your site name, but it comes with the Tumblr branding. Now second disadvantage is it has a limited features. That means you cannot customize your blog. Your blog looks similar to other blogs available in this platform, so you cannot customize it according to your needs. And again, transferring this blog to some other platforms is really difficult. Now let's jump into our second platform. Our second platform is Squarespace. Squarespace is basically made for small businesses where you can build your website easily just by drag and drop, and you need not to be a tech savvy to use this platform. You can easily build your website with a few clicks. Now let's see the overview and pros and cons of using this platform. So this is how a Squarespace platform looks like. Click on get started and there are few details you need to fill. So I've created one sample email address, so I just log in from here, or if you don't want to log in from here, you can simply click on continue with Google and all the other platforms, and there are simple few steps to get started. So just log in from here. Once you log in into this platform, it will be showing one website and a domains. So you can purchase a domain from here or transfer your domain into this platform. And there's one website that I have created. This is just a sample. But what if I need to create one another website? So I can create it from here. Just click on create a site, and there are thousands of templates available, so you can choose from any of these templates. Let's suppose I choose this template. So after choosing a template, you can add a title of your website here, my title, and click on continue, next, and you can learn everything from here. It is showing just a tutorial things. So if you want to learn, you can learn from this tutorial, small quick tutorials. So this is how your website is looks like when you just started. So you can edit everything. If you want to edit this my title section, you can edit from here. Okay, if you want to change this title, let's suppose my website title, so it will be reflected into your website. So go ahead and explore this. So there are few advantages. First of all, it is easy to use platforms, so you don't need to be a tech savvy to use this platform. Secondly, it has multiple templates available, so that you can choose multiple templates. You can choose a variety of template from there and customize your website easily. It separately offer a domain name, so you can purchase a domain name from here and easily start your website from here. Now let's see what are the disadvantages of using this platform. Again, there are limited features available to use this platform. That means you cannot fully customize your website. Although if you are just starting out, it is perfect for you, but there are only limited tools available to play around with. And the next disadvantage is there is limited integration available. That means you cannot directly share your blogs or your website to social media platforms. So you need to copy this URL and paste it on different platform to share it on social media platforms. Now let's jump into our third blogging platform, that is Medium. Medium has grown as a community of writers. So the main focus of Medium is just a writer, journalist, and bloggers. If you are a writer, then this is a perfect platform for you. You can build your community around here. Let's see an overview of this Medium. So this is how Medium looks like. You just need to click on get started or sign in. If you click on get started, it will ask you a basic detail like email address and your username and all the other stuff. Once you sign in, this is how a Medium dashboard looks like. You can edit your profile from here. There are different categories available like home, popular, momentum, and all the other popular categories available in here. And there are blogs available here, that is 7 reasons why smart hardworking people don't become successful. So these all are the blogs, and if you want to add your blog or your article and your story into this platform, you just need to click on this profile icon, and you need to add your story like new story, and you can simply type a title here and your article here, and click on publish from here, and it will ask you certain things like your tags and all the other thing, and you are ready to publish your article from here. So once you publish article, this is how your article looks like, and you can simply it has a social media integration also, so you can simply share it to any other platforms. So let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of this platform. So first advantage is Medium is easy to use. Second is you can build your community here. Let's suppose I want to build a community. What I can do is I can just click here and go to publication, and whatever the publication here, I can follow all of them, or follow related to my interest. And when I put something and when I publish something in Medium, uh, all of this publication and all of the other people whom I am following will get a notification, and they will read if they are interested in my blog. So you will get a great exposure in Medium, and you can have a genuine follower in this Medium platform. And the third advantage is you can primarily focus on your writing skills. You don't need to focus on your designing skills, because Medium is just focusing on writers, publishers, and all the other stuff. They are not focusing on designing. Let's see what are the disadvantages here. So the first disadvantage is these are limited design features. That means you cannot fully design your blog when using Medium. Medium owns your audience. That means if you lose your blog in Medium, you cannot get back your audience from these platforms. Again, you cannot use your own domain name in this platform. You will simply get a profile page like in case of Facebook @ your site name, that's it, or your page name, that's it. You cannot run your own ads in these platforms. That means you cannot earn from this platform. Now let's move into our fourth platform, that is a popular one, Blogger. So this is how a Blogger platform looks like. You just need to sign in. You need to select a mail ID from here, so it will be login into your blog. This blog is already created with the name yoursitenames.com. If you want to create new blog, just click a new blog from here and give a title of your website and click on next, and you can select an address. Your URL will looks like title here.blogspot.com. It is not available right now, so I'm just giving it title here e.blogspot.com, and you need to save it. Once you save it, your blog is created, and now you can post anything by clicking this plus icon. You can write a title here and a description or your article here. It is that simple. You can edit your article, you can add images here, you can add a tag and labels here, and you can do much more things in Blogger. Now let's see what are advantages and disadvantages of using this platform. The first advantage is Blogger is completely free. It is easy to use and manage without any technical stuff, without any technical knowledge. Since it is acquired by Google, you can easily trust this platform. So there are few other advantages. You can use themes, different themes and layouts from here, and you can earn from this blog. You have to link your Google AdSense account from here. It is not easy. It will take at least 3 to 6 months to get approval from this Google AdSense if you are using Blogger. You can see stats from here, and even you can install Google Analytics in Blogger also. So you have an advantage of using all these Google platforms. Now there are few disadvantages also. The first disadvantage is you are limited to few basic tools here. You cannot fully customize your website, although there are themes available, but there are only few tools available as compared to WordPress.org. The second disadvantage is design features are limited. Other disadvantage is Blogger does not receive any frequent updates. That means you only get what you are seeing right now. Other disadvantage is Google will suspend your website if you are violating some rules. Now let's jump into our next blogging platform, that is WordPress.com. Don't confuse with WordPress.com and WordPress.org. So let's see what is WordPress.com. This is how WordPress.com is looks like. Almost 37% of web is built on WordPress, so you can trust this website. So to start with this WordPress.com, you just need to click on get started, and it will ask you few basic details. You need to fill those basic details in here, like email address, your username and your password, and you're ready to go. So once you log in, this is how WordPress.com looks like. This is reader section. If you go into this my site section, it will be redirected you to your site. So this is how your site looks like now. You can edit this site. You can see your website from view site. So this is how your website looks like now. You can edit all of these elements from the dashboard you get. This is the dashboard, and you can have different options in this dashboard, like my home, stats, plans, site design, and all the other stuff. You can edit anything from here. So I'm leaving it to you. Go ahead and explore this website because the video will get longer. So let's see what are advantages and disadvantages of using this platform. It is easy to use. You can simply play around with few tools available here, like design, sites, and all the other stuff. You can select from few themes available in here. So there is no setup required. As you see, you just need to go ahead and create your account with the few basic detail. Your website is set up, and the best thing is it's completely free. If you are happy with this WordPress.com/yoursitename.com, that is, the WordPress branding. Now let's see what are disadvantages of using this platform. There are limited features available when it comes to designing as compared to WordPress.org. You cannot run ads in your website, although the WordPress.com will run an ads into your website, but you are not going to get revenue from those ads. Whatever revenue generated from those ads, it will be transferred to WordPress.com and you will get nothing. The next disadvantage is you do not own your blog. That means if you violate, the WordPress.com will ban you or suspend your blog. All the platform we have seen till now gives you their own server. That means you need not to invest money in purchasing hosting or server. Now let's move into our next and main blogging platform, that is WordPress.org. It is a favorite for every blogger out there. Let's see the overview of WordPress.org. You need to type your domain name here. Like in my case, it is digitalbhaijan.com and /wp-admin and press enter. So this is how your WordPress.org dashboard looks like. You can have different options available in here. You can simply play around with this, and don't worry, we are going to create our website with the help of this platform. So don't worry, I will cover all of this section in that video. If you want to see your website, you can simply go ahead and click on visit your website. So this is how your website looks now, and you can simply optimize each section from this dashboard. So let's see what are the advantages of using this platform. So one major advantage is you have full control of your interface. That means you have lot of features available. That means you can easily optimize anything. You can easily edit any section of your website with the help of WordPress.org. You can create any website with the help of this WordPress.org, like e-commerce, e-learning, membership portal, discussion portal, and all the other stuff. It is future friendly. That means you can easily grow your website in the future. There are lots of free premium templates available, lot of themes available, lot of thousands of plugins available to customize your website. So you can fully customize your website without limiting your features. And most important part is it is SEO friendly. If you are not a SEO guy, you can simply learn from implementing few basic things with the help of WordPress.org. There are few disadvantages of using this platform also. So let's see what are these disadvantages. So the first disadvantage is you need to constantly maintain your website. That means whatever the updates are coming, you need to maintain it to keep your website up and running. Now next disadvantage is you need to take backup of your website. There are chances that your website may get errors and get closed at certain point. So you need to get backup of your website on a frequent basis. Apart from these platforms, there are other platforms like Wix, Weebly, LinkedIn, and all the other platforms available. But for now, we are limiting our list to WordPress.org because we are selecting WordPress.org. And I will personally recommend to select WordPress.org and invest few amount if you are really interested in your blogging career. So here's a task for today's video. Go ahead and select one of the platform and create your one blog and one article and post that article into a community section. The link is in the description. You can go ahead and post your article in that community so that I can review that and we have a great conversation there. So if you get few value from this website, go ahead and like the video, consider subscribing it and share it with your friends who wanted to learn blogging for free and digital marketing for free. I am going to launch few more courses for free, so stay tuned. If you haven't watched our previous video, go ahead and click here, and if you want a complete playlist, click here. So thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.